Planning your financial future is deeply personal and too often an intimidating process. If it's been a challenge trying to tackle this on your own, you might consider personalized counsel. At Advisory Group West, we can help you first plan well, then invest well, so that you can live well. As a holistic financial planning firm, we assist in coordinating each area of your financial life with an emphasis on retirement planning. Our independent, experienced advisory team will partner with you to create comprehensive plans designed for you making prudent, confident choices. You begin with a two-part series of complimentary strategy sessions. We call it our Cornerstone Vissions process. Our term Visions unites our visions and missions, which makes your unified purposes crystal clear to all your allies. Strategy Session 1 supports your visions, where you are discovering and verbalizing what priorities and missions you believe are at stake for your action plans. Strategy Session 2 uncovers hidden obstacles impeding progress and reveals methods, means, and resources that promote solutions. Armed with clarity of purpose and with clear avenues for progress, you'll easily choose what proposed financial planning work and fee makes the most sense for you. Call us today to learn more about your complimentary strategy sessions.